Hi, I am Digambar Rathod, studying in 7th standard in Jain English Medium School, Varde Marwadi, Pune. Today I am going to show you an interesting thing of place value which I and my friend Prince have made to teach or learn place value using this kit. I will show you the activity kit which I was talking you about. As you can see, here are total 8 windows. From each you can see the all single digit number written on this strip. Here are total 8 strips, and beside this number here are the number of zeros in the place value. Now I will show you how to solve a question. Here is the question: 2 crore 56 lakh 512. I repeat the question: 2 crore 56 lakh 512. First we need 2 crore, so we will move to the crore place and pull the strip till 2. Here is the 2, and next we need 56 lakh, so we will move to the 10 lakh and lakh place. On the 10 lakh place we will pull the strip till 5, and the lakh place we will pull the strip till 6. And next we need 500. We don't need 10,000 and 1000, so there will be 0 on both of them, and on 100 we will pull till 5. And next to 12, so we will move to tens and unit place. We will pull the tens strip till 1 and units place till 2. Here is the number 2 crore 56 lakh 512. 2 crore 56 lakh 512. Like this you can solve some question. Hope you understood. I will show you the component used to make this kit. I have used paper, cardboard and chart paper to make this all component. Here is the strip, backboard and front board. Here is all the measurement I have written on this paper with these components. If you want to make, you can also make using this measurement, or you can use other measurement to make it. If you want to know how we have made this video, then please comment it down. I will make another video on that, and if you like it, then please give it a thumbs up, share with everyone and subscribe our channel. Thank you.